Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Eunice. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
Jesus.
The radio is hit. One station. Metimo se Pastor Charles Adia Kunya ene ne space no opompe mejiako. Aida se meji ne space nako anaza kunya no mekwa kwatam na mesoma betina subi. Lawyer, me pacho me mawachi emu akwaba.
Yenya suffer patwa pomoe.
Nyame adom me ho ye papa na wonso ho ye de.
Nyame adom pa.
Emo. Ene onyame de emre ne enna e de achen na wohwe a weda no esesa o weda no esesa na mra bia ni we de be kirelo weda no agina ho mra bia ni ho.
Mbrane say when it comes to natural occurrences, such natural occurrences supersede human preparation and program. And therefore, you allow God to have his way.
That's right. That's right. Lawyer, awie nyina ama yentishe no nso. Weda no esesa nti wo kwa dress yi boaboa wo ho sane be ya enkoka ho enhye ba bia. Ansa na me de lawyer beba no ma me ma 1 minute na fa boaboa ho na yentie nia ebeko so ma me 1 minute why.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. Our private client services team is recognized for providing clear and practical legal advice to our clients in the United Kingdom and Ghana. Expert help with will writing, probate or estate administration. Our will writers and probate lawyers can act for you to obtain grant of probate and carry out estate administration on your behalf. The probate takes place after someone dies. If there's a will, the named executor is responsible for ensuring that the estate of the deceased is secured, assessing its value and paying any inheritance tax. If there is no will, the interstate and inheritance rules require similar responsibilities. Our lawyers offer strategic and practical solutions to the issues which clients face, whether it's in relation to succession planning, will preparation, probate and the administration of estates, immigration and visas, contentious family or probate disputes, administering estates often with inheritance cross-border issues, international trust advice including residence, domicile issues, wealth preservation, a fast, efficient service from SRA-regulated professionals, transparent pricing. BWF Solicitors, let us take care of probate.
FM. Or Manchester a DAB plus. Ubetumi akatre Alexa say Alexa. Fameko Rainbow Radio na minko tie lawyer ne profit and ne anopay na Alexa edi ubeba life and colored kra. Misro say twi akunwano eben radio no ene ensemu amede ba no emu oduru. Lawyer be chire nsemu amayen obebie nsemu edi amayen. Minim se wonim se changes bebre atiki place. Na onyame ya adoma by October ebi ebe take effect eninti wonyamfa application nkotu mu a to America ene oti lawyer address pe chro oti lawyer telephone number fa na Fred lawyer na bisa lawyer say na mekra application no ekwan ben so na memfa me de embetum ene ya ode ba ombeye amawo ma benko lawyer ho na mensa ma lawyer achibiem na afi memfa lawyer emawo na yenhwe ne a awurade ebeye enne anapai lawyer masaba wabobo ano mepa acho mesama wachi esama wakwa aba
Yenya patwa pomoe.
Ye ho ye papa na wo so bibia boko.
Nyame adom pa.
Emo na sane ya yedi edwuma no anopai de Rainbow Radio 92.4 FM ye ne ye Facebook ahwefo nyina ya ye krado ubia etwen anopai my update na fa ye hyase na yenko wadaroma.
Yo, I'm so update ho ye mano kakra na bebre nso ya mano dada. Nse san aba efa different routes. But near here pa no fees nse san aba ɛyɛ October ya yɛbɛsi next month ya no first week no na nsesaeɛ aba fees no emu enti ebi asesa ebi nso ensesaeɛ but nea hia ne sɛ wobɛhu sɛ wobɛyɛ wo renewal renewal no aso September bombarding anase October within the first week now bombarding na wode betu empemprenya cause mrane say wo 28 days before what they no ebewu no na why renewal and that's after na wo be ye 20 years private life application and that's application bi a wo be bia no say your renewal there you nim say within 28 days but say your renewal na after na wo be start there say say utia fees nko ade a bombarding say wo betu anamo because in society no ahye ase say ya yenim in the first week of October 4th of October no na in society no a start nti ya de ade yi betu board no so na wo behu fees na eba no ebi asesa ebi ensesa ye sa asesa o say ensesa yo so application ya mpempren ya before 4th of October 2023.
Wow. Lawyer, ohwe sania eniema ekuya menim se wa advice se application no unyanye ya fatum na se obeye renewal so a within the 28 days no you are allowed say udi betum enti me pese uti eni kakra ema matiefo ebia application no afe ena me pese me di betum afe na me de kra fresh me pa cho ubetumi abobo fresh application no so se ni aye etua ne sesei na se yekura the 4th of October ni aye betua me pa cho biemu ho kakra ma me na obi a wotie no ntu American for application number sesei ya
yo edoso enti ya mbo ni nyina enti na ni aye beti no na ye gina so etu anamo enti anamo aye betu ne say wo frɛ officer na say wo frɛ lawyer na wo ho ni nyina no ne wo de poti a wo ye no lawyer beka ehun fee no akere wo but kakra ye beka no anopei ene ni aye de ato board isi enti obi o ma okoye na application for the first time atina ha 20 years embre no aso say okoye application sa application no senior yenim no ubetua IHS fee na wetua the normal application fee wo hwe board no so a IHS de no amba na chese IHS de no 1560 no ehoro no sara na visa fee a sa application wo kwaye a utua no ya na ye 1048 pounds emrane say nsesaye amba ewo eho no nti still a wo betua friend say 1048 no na ebia nipa no afi na oba ebewura ekrum ha eho no nsesaye kakra aba ebia na nipa no afi na oba ye no 2.5 no so ho so nsesaye biara embae anaso bebe renew eho so nsesaye embae bo ba ye we indefinite leave to remain indefinite no sisi ano 2404 pounds from 4th of October no ekono abaya 2885 pounds ebi a wo ye naturalization ye friend no citizenship no wo braso wo pesa wo bedane British ni na wo ye application na mpempre no 1250 October no abaya 1500 ebi a wo ba na wo be register no e na abaya British akwala mpempre no 1012 pounds October no ebeye 1214 pounds enti wo hwe a wo mu ahodo bebre se ne yenim no certificate of sponsorship for skilled workers for ministers of religion and then yakeka ho but dodo na ne kan say skilled worker COS so wo kwaji COS if you are buying ho ama employee and so obi a opesa wo fe na adwuma mpempre no 199 pounds. October 4th ɛbɛyɛ 239 pounds. Nti wohwɛ a nsesaeɛ no akate across baby biara. Nti sɛnea yɛnim no mbere biara no a yɛbɛbɛtena ha no up until October no yɛbɛka mu ebi akyerɛ ɛmo. Ba mbere no nti ɛndɛ yɛde nea yɛakan ɛbɛgya ɛwɔ na sɛ woyɛ wo deɛ no a sɛ wo deɛ no yɛ mmɔso a wofrɛ a wo ɛbo a ɛwɔ hɔ no aban pɛ sɛ wotua no yɛbɛka nso akyerɛ wo.
Emo lawyer yɛda wase enti ma memfa nto atiefoɔ anim na menhyɛ ɔm menkae ɔmo sɛ BWF Solicitors wobɛhu yɛwɔ 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters London N15 4NP. Me pacho Shannon Somame. Address no 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters London N15 4NP. Office number 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340. Emergency number 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Na wabo awura lawyer akachi na nea opese wo hu nea opese wo bisa nyina na yedi ama wo ene number yedidi dwuma no line 1 0208 133 4646 0208 133 4646. Line 2 0208 133 1134 0208 133 1134. Ena ye mobile line ni ye WhatsApp line ubetumi di messages ni bi afaso na yatimi akenkan edi ama wo anase ubetumi afre asiso na ye ni lawyer adi nkomo 0777 1950989 0777 1950889 na medewo ama lawyer na enioma ako amayen pepepepepe afi yembonwura lawyer ho na omayen the latest news nia aba na nia yem ewo se ye hye no nso ne hwehwem lawyer anopai fayeko edien na asie
yo I'm saying ACC no ni update no ya bobosto no ba ndan no ya nkomo foforo a ya pese ya twetwe anopai di kan ya fa akwanya we su echia etiefo ne ahwefo enyina ne ya kan se yankopon ofi suro enhira nyina na omanyan asomdwe ne omanyan sere ene anopai na se wotie yen se wo hwe yen ye chia wo bebre ye dincha kase efi BWF Solicitors aseye ebrel ye chia Uncle Ben ene BWF Solicitors edmafo nyina ye chia ya client fo nyina client adada ane afoforo ene wo a wo ba nyina ne wo a woni ye ho dada ne nyina ye chia obi biara ebra so se ye besua ade fa akonya we nso eda obi biara se ọka ho ma yenyina ye celebrate ebra oyame adom odenya ba ewieye a omoma yen eye SRA abodin ebe obi biara se client a omoma yen congratulatory messages yeda obi biara ase na nda no ne ye resua no eye very important because ade a eka obi a eka so obi a eye obi a oye edwuma ema obi account. No, we are entering into employment law. Na we assembly bisa for immigration so a brother so over to me ebisa emana ye na senior yenim no emra ewo ho a ye frɛ no Employment Rights Act 1996 eno na e cover employers ene employees na won betumi aye na won tumi enye kwan ben na obetumi asake obi a woni ne ye adwuma na se wo sake no na se wamfa kwan panso ansake no a dan na nimpa no obetumi aye and then your question is me ejuma my employer say on person ni be ejuma biem has dismissed me from work. What should I do? Me ejuma say on ni me ejuma biem den na me ye. Me kwahye fie na me su anase me kwahye aso dem mo mpaye. What should I do? We are focusing on the law and therefore we are looking at what the law allows you to do. Enti edi kan ni be say an say why ni employer na why so ni employee. Yakasa obi ye employer obi a wa ebie na edwuma na wa fa obi se omeye edwuma ema no na wa ye nhihye se nipa no be ye edwuma ama no na ono nso etua enipa no eka. So there's work done and consideration in the form of salary or wage paid to sa enipa no a oye edwuma ma sa enipa no. Te edwuma no wura no na ye fa na employer and na wa we ye edwuma no na ye we employee. Na employee no emra no beka say emra no use worker, emra no use employee. It doesn't really matter whether worker or employee. Ye nyina no ye edwuma simple sa. Na nea ewo eho no excuse me. Na ewo eho no enso ene say ebia wa we edwuma amasa enimpa no woni no wo nhihye ebi so ana woni no nhihye bia but mbra no ne aka ne say ese wa woni nipa no ye adwuma no wo nhihye nti ye share Employment Right Act 1996 section 1 no a obeka akere say sa nipa no a woni ne ye adwuma no ese mo wo nhihye a ye fa no employment contract. Sa employment contract no mbra ne say ese adwuma no ra odima wo share adwuma se a ose odima wo to the mawa and na wo begina so na waye nea obeye nti mepo so ha say na ye ko yenim no ya toa eso
yo emo lawyer adwuma no senia upia so eko eno anie enti me pese u breaking it down employer ne employee no ne responsibility I was say wo hold ewo adwumanum na employee no ono so ne responsibility sania obi di dini a mehunu ekwanya mefaso na mene no adele me pa cho yem breaking it down kakra emantifo
yo mate enti sania ya boss no section 1 say ufa obi adwuma as I say woman no terms of engagement and I say employment. Na sa employment terms no na ye ka no ye de ba yen ya fam no ye ka me ne wa fam no ye ka ye say employment contracts. Contract ben na woni nipa no wo. Nti sa contract no as I say ekire enwoma bi eda no edi e wo paper so enye ano. Na sa paper no na bibi ba ye begina so yedi bi say na ye kan ye no ye di so anasa na ye kan no ye ndi so eno no ye fa no express terms in somewhere ye tintim say ebe boanyen ma na ye no akoye nim say mete me ho ase na so wate wo ho ase edi kan edwuma ben na me beye edi kan edwuma no eto aso edwuma no maye no wahe eto aso edwuma no ye how long say ye 6 term anasa eye cover bi anasa eye 0 hour and that's a permanent saying and in terms of hours no so boss say 0 hour say 40 hours a week 37.5 hours a week ni nyina no ebewo a contract no emu na aketua ye de ba mame as I say ewom bebi a maye adwuma no poti adwuma no me ye no wo London and I say me ye no wo Birmingham and I say me ye no wo Leeds and I say so London cry me ya no wo north and I say east and I say west and here party na make sorry a me call adwuma no a your friend no work place or place of work nti wo be a wo fixed place na adwuma no so senia ne nkro beta no edoso nti e bi a enda wo ha na wo kina wa kwaye bi wo ha na ni nyina no eka o hihye no eho a your friend no wo a main but wo kwaye adwuma nso wo baby enso senior sofo uye adwuma ewo rainbow na bia office no wo hode ba bia yesi and then no show no ye no wo anafo nti ho na wo be akọ tena na wa ye adwuma no it doesn't mean say ho na de bia wo be kọ na mbom eye a yetumi ema wo kọ baby na che say nipa no one fixed place no wo other places because of senior adwuma no wura adwuma no hihye no etie no clientele no senior etie no and I say delivery no senior etie no enti eno so ewo ho but ese say ewo nkrata eso na wo hu senior wo baya no ama ukopie wo bebi na nye ho na ese say ukopie a na che say wakọ adwuma so wankọ adwuma because nye ho na ese say wokọ wache ho ase na sika ahe ne ba ma wo a ye fa na remuneration eno so no ese say eba so enti ekobesa a ekosoro anase ekofumu a eho isusanso eden ewo ho ena yewo holiday ena yewo notice say wo mpesa wo beye adwuma biemu a na say wo pesa wo mu on a notice ben na wo de ba ma adwuma ni wura amena prepare no ho ena say adwuma ni wura no so mpesa ono beye adwuma biemu a notice ben ena wo de ba ma wo ayefa no notice period ebi a na ye 1 month ebi a na ye 3 months depending on how long a waye adwuma ho ni nyina no ewo nkrata no eso se ko basa nkrata no and trap baby nyoma no potia then we have what we call implied expectation and the statutory implied and the be call mra no mu na hwe senya mra no eka nti even though one kan wo contract no mu no mra no ye betumi aka say mra no say na eka nti sa wo kan ye o one kan no we ye be fa no say mra no nti e be take precedence over near wo contract no eka no nti contract no e first na yakọ emra no enso emu na emra no so as I say a point to one say wo contract no etrel nia wo betumi aye ne nia wo ntumi ye ye fa no code of conduct nti sa code of conduct ya na employee no handbook mu ti be say staff handbook and I say staff code of conduct and I say policy no nti policy no e bi etrel say na wo betumi aye say na wo ntumi ye nti sa wo ye na eboro so a your friend of gross wo ye na eboro so wo ye na enye but emoro so a ye be say na wa ye no enye ti bia ye betwe waso nti ye wo ne a wo ye a yetumi twe waso ene ne a wo ye a wo ye nso a ye betumi agba okoko
lawyer na me tro one or two things bi a me pese ye highlight hono kakra especially on the side of ebia ye fawo afri baby edi wako baby akoye adwuma menim se empempi no adwuma ya che kakra and these are some of the things ye experience na okaso menkwa na adwuma wura no edi threatening aba na ene opamo obi ohokora na wakase wo nkoni nti no obehye da na wafa kwan bi so no wayi wadi na niema ayebasa questions mienu ena me pese ohwanyam wa hamaye because me say ya enche I think say acha beye 2 weeks time Rainbow edime ko Ghana no makoye adwuma eno na woso mutimi ehwe me yi because me free landing ako Ghana it's like when you say enka landing there ahane me permanent office ya we dey ahana meti ahane me permanent office but say you say nyehwe on person de me ko Ghana na me ko ye adwuma mu de me free wa no de me ko America so no makoye say asema me kan Dr. Mike Wotie enti wo chro enti lawyer say eba say omon fan she me contract mu say odifo emre bi ba me de wo be ko Ghana no akoye adwuma na me de wo free Ghana ko America metimi aka say mentimi nko because enemy contract metimi aka nsa
ye wo bibia ye fa no necessity
okay
say adwuma no hia say wo be ye bribi no untumi nka say onye ta ye wo contract no mu kra na etumi de shem say and any other reasonable request made of you by your employer Nti say employer no akoba say or the wo baby because of with skill, with knowledge, experience, ninti or the ko baby a and when she no or no never tena na omo ahyehyɛ na omo vary with contract no ebi a wo call for secondment is a wo call for be a 1 year and that's a few temporary period na wasen aba nhyehyɛ ebe wo ho ama sa so we can vary your contract na ama akava nhyehyɛ foforɔ a employer no per se or introduce you for you alone and yes of bia tell no betena ase na one wakasa asem no na wa ma supplementary contract and that's arrangement and no interest say old one no wato atwene na mom to confirm say arrangement for Friday aba or no ajepene but won't mean so I mean yakobesa won't mean nko a the employer will have to make a justification a reasonable arrangement for you. Could be an adjustment to do with your health, your disability, and also the circumstance in general. The employer no by sa in share no. To won't mean kasa won't call because a be here say obeko.
Well, atiefo ene adisuano emuaye de papa in another short form no. I was so what say your excuse of won't kono must be a good reason. Your excuse of one corner must be a good reason. And inti shenon son emame na yenswa ye employ a man for ewo adwumamu e was say ye ma contract in any edaho. E was ye ma contract in any eyeden edaho. Enti mamenfa we entwa so ema lawyer na me misa lawyer say. Enti se say ano se obi family we adwumamu a eye max say or mami contract na me hunu ne opese meye na se ye fami adwumum ni ama me a me ametime request bi ana
Yo embrana say ya fa we adwumamu a as I say employer no omawo contract within the first month or two no as I say omawo contract of employment signed by both of you. So 1 year sa embrana say watumra because we saw my first contract, I have no terms of engagement, Now, I'm going to say, obet me assign post to other aspects of engagement, I have no policies, Into policies, which are onshore or contract, Nemo, oba refer to certain places, obet me acquire policy, policy could be disciplinary policy, could be, termination policy, it could be policy to do the conduct. Staff handbook. It could be health and safety policy. It could be this policy, that policy, the range of policies in the workplace. So the employer can signpost you to those policies. Until I don't know share or better now or contract and the contract one is a Bible. And so the employer will signpost you and bring what we call the key terms of engagement within or needing baby our ejuma duration, termination, holiday, nini account hono, and rather say as I said, obobaso amao from within the beginning.
Now, lawyer, ye binuma sebi ye tu nyuni ejumano senka omo maya also my contract. Na ebia wa hu say wotunye enso wonso wo hia wo say obeye adwuma no amano. Wa my contractor, how do we approach it?
You see, so unim say sebio say na wo kan no bibi ya you cannot demand bibi. There is a principle of fairness.
Yeah.
If you want fairness, you do fairness.
Yeah.
Until you will be a friend equity. Na equity no ehun bibi ni ati say mo say emredu no equity no so ye wo emre bi hihye ho o say o pese ye bibi ma wo a say wo so ye bibi wa wo hu ye wo so say wo kwa challenge nipa no a oboa wo no ehun mo bro na o ye so what is your basis of challenging nti ye nka saafo no ye ka wo a emre mu no omo wo kwan say omo be take employment contract
because one will say mulo adwuma ya mu yi ayese yasofudi yi emre bi akwa bi ani abre oh medin meko medin wakoma me lawyer me se odi no wakoma wo lawyer no frɛ wo sɛ asɛm no yɛnkɔ court a wo wade a wobetimi dia akɔ appeal court hɔ ye bebre no ɛya na efi sɛ yenum ye right na ba bia wo sɛ compromise no yan compromise enti nde ɛya me de pa sɛ wodi asɛm na ba because yenuanom nso bebre wo hɔ a wo hu sɛ enipa no so etu nyenti no na wo mia no nti yesafo no yetu nyenti omumia ya omunku ye kura na law no ntimi nya hu biribi
isi wonu a wakɔ hɔ no wo a wakɔ hɔ sɛ ɔmoma obibi maye na wonsa entumi nkɔ wano no uni ɛho kwan sɛ wobɛyɛ saa de no sɛ wonim saa tina yɛhwɛ mu a ɛnyɛ contract bi na ɛhɔ na mmom ehumɔbo bi yɛbɛtumi aka sɛ ɛyɛ voluntary work kora yɛntua akatua anim because you can't work to be paid but because of what community no do nti wo de ho agba afare sɛ wopɛ sɛ woyɛ biribi na woyɛ biribi no na nipa no so behu mɔbɔ sɛ oh ɛnde nya akatua na me de ma wo na ma wo biribi sɛ fafa car fabra
yeah
photo phone credit ama we here me na wa frɛ me ɛno no ɛyɛ contract broni frɛ no gift and support obia to me support obi because nipa bia we hu mobro nti so obi support you because we hu mobro na wo gina so sɛ me no bɛtwe dia a bisa ho sɛ na wo no ano mo na wo nya no wo ho kwan saa
ene we de ene me soro fi happy me call office ma kwaji me contract ma hunu ni egom me kwaji me contract ma hunu ni egom emo lawyer briefly no pay mame enkai will say yene lawyer Charles from BWF Solicitors ena yeti akasafidi esu yi ha aye 92.4 FM London ye ene yetimi sesa abrochiri ne yedi me ko Ghana ne yedi Ghana aba abrochiri ko e Facebook no so ko share na kachire wunu bi se lawyer Agia Konwa me pa cho embra ensemu ekoso no te ase ma me se enye adwuma nko aho asem na ye ka ye kate across ade biara efa embra ho ba enne ye topic no ho na lawyer apiki free enti se bibi kire wadwene biribi haw na opese ode eba na lawyer ehwemu mawa sania obidini dia ba me ba be kinkan dia ma lawyer ya mesrew hye no nso ma me say ubetimi dia ba ekwan bi aso ubetimi dia ba opese ode fa ye mobile ye WhatsApp line no so na ode ba anase wo frɛ me na me de ma lawyer ye live and colored ubetimi afrɛ ye WhatsApp line no 0777 1950989 0777 1950989 and now say opese wo frɛ direct na odi besi yeso nso a 0208 133 4646 0208 133 4646 and now say 0208 133 1134 na medu ama lawyer lawyer good morning. It's a good morning prophet, please. Just to find out, I am finishing 10 years. Which application form do I fill, please? We ni 10 years. We ni 10 years. Route no na obisa say application form ben ena was say or filling na watiki the next step, lawyer.
Yo, I saw person indefinite leave.
Yes, sir.
Yo, anti yo indefinite leave forms no bebre. Ntono no de no okoso a obehwehwe set O.
Set O. I mean lawyer say okoso a hwehwe set O. Why? And no any forms are nyame adoma e wo se ufili ena watumi akọ wanim na omatimi ahwe ama wo. Or say, good morning, lawyer. Please, I'm applying for my nationality, but there is a session about criminal conviction. I overspeed in 2018. I overspeed in 2018, but did not get a point. I attend speed awareness training. Please, do I still have to put it down? If yes, it is requiring for the date which I cannot remember. What do I do, please? What do I do?
Yo, nipa we you bet me akọ online. Now I type what na search criminal way point I want a license, so I suspect so you'll be our license. And so our license or born a license in my point was to be an obey yaba date a bit me yaba. Say omo no copy a court wa you should obey one papers. Say police report now obey letter no. Nti on kwahwehwe but question ne dey be say I want to make us a won kai and you be janisa a yes or no, and if yes, explanation. And you can know so na uko wenim but no interest say and find out what the facts are and provide them when you are applying for whatever application you per se we no.
Emo menua wasuma yemfa line 1 no line 3 no emra na lawyer entimi mbie nsimu no maye. Hello me pacho me mawachi ema wakwa aba anopai.
Good morning, Pacho Yamia.
Wo hwan?
Pacho ye framing Mensa.
Edino krade ehia o kai say ye wo anu me ka say bia wo na the message ni bi ba ya ye kinkan ma wo no.
Pacho David lawyers lawyers ma we were 2 questions for you. Pacho, first one no about na ensemi koso me were meeting na me no mo be meeting no. But the thing is me no mo ni asem bia menya problem bia with them. This is the first time ebia menya problem. The problem is say omo accuse me of something. Me security and I mean so me who say I didn't know me and yes I took CCTV to disprove evidence no one against me. Almost using a personal way and also offense. Then I say which you know, I thought said the burden of proof was on me, so I have to prove to them that it wasn't me. And I was one more accuse me say for using a personal phone to and also offense.
Yeah, lawyer.
I'm saying, senior will trim no BBS with Jumum until my investigation. They will invoke the disciplinary policy and carry out their investigation. Investigation, and ebe day near Esino say no cre and I say no cre.
One thing, lawyer, can one.
I'm patronizing.
Okay, lawyer.
What's the main case say? Pacho, what's the main case?
I'm Pachafi, I'm too kind.
What's the BBS here? Jumu, I'm on my investigation. Yes, sir.
I think I'm too kind.
Okay, what part here? So we na when ya ube to me akwa bo ade no na wetie but
you
mame ntoaso wo se BBS adwuma mu o ma investigation anaso muguso investigation yes sir
yes
until mo investigation here e kwan da wo so ma investigation no be di adanse say na akwaso no sa na tie anasa nya sa na tie so nya sa na tie dia na omo gina so say omo mpese omo ne be ye adwuma and then nkomo a ye di no and then no it will lead to dismissal without reason or fair reason And no bit made in so now what take employer no on. But you have to make sure say also in as work until they have to go through the process. So what shall I want to inform your union? Make sure say union will call meeting, you know. You can also contact ACAS. ACAS is the body for employers and employees. ACAS. Who call computer so now who Google ACAS. Ebe yaba. Obetumi afre won, wone won edi nkomo. Omo so beka kire won. Omo ye law court. Omo ye just there to make sure say there is fairness in the workplace. Nti say we feel say employer na oye no we ni nje ho a obetumi ni ACAS wakasa. Saa nso na employer nso betumi ne ACAS for akasa mo akire say nurse so mo ye bia nso omo aye. Enu kwada na still an wonte won ho ase a omo ma right of appeal betumi appeal. Appeal no kwa wie na still ano omo say omo terminate wa then nkomo aye bedi no obetie bi na obetumi aye no waye.
Mate, me that's it. Pacho, my second question. Madam Fubi and now omo are cutting benefit and omo the reasons no buy, but because of more, I do listen to you. Me can say only serve for statement of reason. Judge na trouble say we need statement of reason there or the bemo na the reason na I answer no the mom na we should be in the statement of reason. And you know, bet me appeal the call upper tribunal say judge na ma adequate reason.
And also a benefit.
Patch I child benefit no when marketing na.
Yeah, benefits.
Reason no more man and
okay.
And I judge also agree with them. But the judge needs to mean a full statement of reason.
Oh, benefits are some now court dada.
Yes.
And now omo dismissal claim no.
Yes.
And now decision about no judgment no. Omo can say obetumi aye den. Omo can say obetumi akonanim.
Yes, also decisions also on or they disagree or which me apply for permission to go to upper tribunal.
So no person
maybe I may advise and say before but yes I know only side judge for a statement of reason. But judge not trouble say the statement of reason now the refuse to
judge no e di asam no na o de the judgment aba out.
Yes.
Now, who can say Uncle Faja a reason for Emra?
There we may say, oh, Mr. Judge,
no, but that's the question. That's the same reason. Thing. The judgment is the reason. Judge, no say, me jina way so. I dismiss the claim, no. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now, say judge no confirm reason for Emra.
No, it just said me be said. Me can't say, oh, Mr. Judge, Mr. Oman statement of reason explaining more into details.
But that is the reason your man was judgment.
3 points.
The judgment from the judge or the court is the reason for the dismissal. But what is here?
Yeah.
And the judgment will confirm it before for. It's not catch us say, "Who person who ni ameka ya?" And then say, "You na swa, me jina swa." Read the idea na me dey ama no. You find the judgment, you know. But what is here?
Okay.
The judge will tell you the findings and the reasons for concluding on that basis. It is a one tier here, and as a one in your you can apply to go further. Yes, you have the right to go further, but judge need to confirm it before for be amro. Ya bra, our bra watch on the judgment. Why?
Okay, yo. And then that's a bit brave.
Daniel.
Oh, asida anyhow, asida nyina koma urade. Lawyer ye krado ne papa ene ubiebi ensem de amayen. Me pa cho me ma wachen e ma wakwa aba na yenko. Yentu adwumade ne so. Me pa cho me chia o.
Me deal so na me chia lawyer asma so. My question is so say me free me sponsorship so na me dey buy. But me ba no ye ma me offer letter. Me di be rema state sikani bibia meji. But yeah ochno offer letter ne to say any contract na me bedru kromu hanum na obema me contract me sign. I base staple terms and conditions no. I am more than 6 months ni. Yemfa sa contract ni mame. Me bisa so yemfa mame. Me bisa the last one or say offer letter no na ma sign no. But to me no, ena lawyer aka no. Se me contract staple conditions majuma no me yen efa ho terms and conditions, but me ni bibia etisa in these terms dear na meet me because offer letter no to me no said the lawyer and said the onukra actual woman no enya contract letter intimate me a busy way say me ne ye adwuma yi ye tua me kai me sign offer letter no to from what lawyer can enya contract into BBC cry mini contract letter cry me they defend me ho ana me boa. That's my first question.
Bibia your friend no practice or convention. Enti say employer no ne practice ne say oma wo offer no a ne ase so aka no wo mu a na waja to mu a na wa sign a ana say mo verbal no kra no mo aja to mu say na ye kɔ no a obetumi akonklude say saa ene ne ayate ase ba se ne awokyire mu no oka kyerɛ wo say wo ba obema wo terms and conditions ana say wo contract no waba bro etwum onfa ma wo ye kyerɛ ne email na ka kyerɛ ne say senya amede ma no kan ye ene me di telephone so boss no ade no 6 months ni me san kan ye nti me pese me hu me terms and conditions of engagement no obeye amawo so wan ye amawo a next onimu a obe remind ni bio. But you see, sometimes depending on the circumstance, that's what we call relationship. So depending on what you want to do with the relationship after the action away taken, you also have to bear in mind. But I'm not interested in Mrama say Uber demand and that's Uber requested sir at the end. Because okay say Obama contract on farmer here. Impose one can Mrama says I saw my contract. Into checking years and or the no. And in the contract, and I say yes, sir. So I say yes, sir, dear. And I saw Mao because I checked too much.
Yes, because I had said your account. This letter is not a contract indicating employment terms or duration. A contract will be available for you to sign upon arrival.
All right. And reminder why?
And my second question is Juma made with this sponsorship amount my contract and I say 20 hours 40 hours we bet me Juma war baby extra 20 hours which COS in the contract and it a chair but in case it's 20 hours no ye be na and yet the sponsor amount and enough to meet also demands in bills. Can you do other 20 hours? Can you do another 20 hours somewhere to match up with time are open? And does it have any implications? Say, renew a bit affected.
COS or C will bet me how many hours with another employer?
20 hours.
Now, who how many hours?
The person may maybe 30 hours with another employer because
that's fine. Don't worry. Don't worry about why you want to do that. The question is that we yes sir, we shall what to mra, that's I want to mra.
Matumra.
And they wouldn't even that.
Okay, because the NTM maybe say baby maybe may all willing say Obama me more contract and it's I'm a menina yejuma but probation muna me one or person me try me answer and also so now it makes them matumra. After I say me free, me old employer I could new one all willing to so be mommy more job but or person me 30 hours emano.
Ubetumi switch. O switch ko nten a ubetumi aye 40 hours and I say hours na ewo ono ne COS so no. But since I want switching ko nten no de wuwia kakra akane a wo no wadada no ho. Emra ne say ubetumi enya 20. Untumi enwia manembo 20.
Embo 20. Okay. A hold on na me person.
We are 20 dia watumra.
Okay.
We are 20 dia watumra. Enti shenon so. Say your pona ubetumi aframe nso a oframe nso a mema 1 or 2. We dey mema mfa nko ha lawyer. Oframe mankasa mema 1 or 2 points.
I'm patron number ben am friend so.
Tie radio no me pon a me de me number betu dwa.
Okay.
Why? We tie radio no me pon a me de me number betu dwa. We dey mema mfa nko ha lawyer. Lawyer dey obeka se watomra ampa watomra. Enti say na obeya obitumi anya adwuma ne bi aka ho. Enko apie say watomra. What you say? Enti me pon a frame. Me da se nyame hira. Me fa we enkoma lawyer emfa lawyer enti anima ya na fi yakọ ene adusua no so. Kra. Me pacho gina soma me 1 minute. Gina soma me.
Okay.
Lawyer, obi say I have indefinite leave through my husband. I am applying for my daughter to join me in UK. My child is from previous relationship. I am using sole responsibility. I have UK divorce application pending in court. I don't live with my husband now. Which rules are applicable? Appendix FM or Part A or both? If Appendix FM, can she get the same status as me? Which form is used for the application? Lawyer, yamfa we free on yefa nipa bako na fe yatoa yadisua no so.
Yo yenwe no opa ne se opeso kwafa ne ba. Eba kan ne nche.
You. Ebacho line no article, o voice an article.
Yenwe ni opa ne se opeso kwafa ne ba eba.
Yeah.
Eba kan ne nche ewo UK memu.
Yeah.
Emra no hu sa application no say Appendix FM application, family migration. As I say, approve say, ono a okofa akwala na ba no, ono na ohwe akwala no senya oboboso no ni memrana dada. So I'm not going to go through the law for her or him. But the American say, I think it's her. So I'm not going to go through the law for her. But they all kind of say, so responsibilities no. As I saw with this one, as I said with this so, because as I saw prove say akwala ne papa no oni akwala no abrebom anymore. So I said with this so, and now the next one is said, or maybe someone said then cry nature say akwala no yen yi no fi baby owo no embra emeka won sa ewo baby awo no tane so as I said wo hwe na wo di ho djuma and or say court proceedings kwasoro ne ade. Court proceedings na kwasoro na try say na opa cha ne say aware no a one akwala no papa no eware no ejija nso ewuye
Dabi enya akwala no papa akwala no efri ni previous relationship na obi a ejina no so ema ni nya ne nkrata no sese ya wade no enya ade a to aso biem because hama abebom.
But one say we indefinite. Yes sir.
Yes, unya indefinite from the husband no.
Well, unya indefinite. Who citizenship or citizenship. Who 2.5 or 2.5. So it doesn't really what means I was unya understand you have it. nti na wo no na wogina so aya ma akwala no nti sa wo kuta indefinite na wo ye application ma wo ba no abeka won sa se wo meet rules ne dia nya wo no na ye de ba ma wo ba no
emo ene menu ya ba
no be sasa form ben
forms ben yeah
in terms of advice because there are so many forms especially entry clearance applications aya untumi nkasa kwa form we because a computer form into sometimes we catch us back na form in green na so call in a blue na just one man wrong advice.
that's right.
This is not an advice, this is my opinion. My opinion is that and my view is that ukofa obaba ukwa uboa obama o nyoma bia asese u tiki nti answer wo de ba ma no na oba direct wo akọ form a ube use nti sa wonya show a ko consultation na lawyer no enter example na we hu poti say we yes answer I just go online and try it but I cannot advise say kofa form way and say kofa form way because the advice I give you here will be a advice that will be rely on. So my opinion is that just be careful on the type of form now will be fill for akwala but you want akwala forms online you find entry clearance application settlement nti oman a wo ye fi so no wo born sa a baby say these questions na we gina answers so no de wa ko wanim
Lawyer asem no wabosi de bi asem a me kan say emfa ho sane a wo fi say wadi nim no akọ nanim tie bia obi enim better than you enti consultation mesrew ma memfa address no ento ma sister gina so ma me ba sese a ana uncle gina so ma memfa address no ento ma na anopai to America eko BWF Solicitors consultation sen ya kakira bi na kire say ya kire no mani so na watimi aye application akotum no aye successful. BWF Solicitors 4th floor Anna House me pesa what you say ye wo community preferred lawyers back up 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road 7 Sisters London N15 4NP Shannon Somami and I say ubetumi afre no buku appointment sisi ya so meti say lawyer Charles kasa ewo Rainbow Radio na me ba consultation ye be buku na yamawa behu lawyer Charles on 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and now says 077 127 61884 077 127 61884 me pacho line 1 no wagina so ache ma mema wo ache na mema wakwaba na lawyer 8
Yeah, Michael. Metia lawyer for no pay.
Emo.
Yeah. Machine be said na me pese me bisa lawyer no pay.
Fabra.
I think say first one no. Say me oba bi e won kra mi no kurumba. Na me ne che before na our guy about so by more than 2 years now. Me mano e free me say me tam kra no. By up to now, no, Obama decided to open in the man locating. So it's more than 2 years. Meaning, Kuram and man was there by say Omote letter A and now say address B. No, up to now, it's more than 2 years. Meaning, baby, I'm a manager. Or my holidays of Obama in 10. But I said, me home and man locating up to now, it's more than 2 years. And the first one. Second one, also, I say, some not lawyer, I can't say. So obi eyin pro workers ya na so yes any form so so fere I think that the company I had more than 10 years but yes that's a problem so I don't know what they do be a issue but I know my head for a long time I'm a site manager so contract of the my form no ohwe so a site a wo be ye adwuma any udin o bank account any any address na yi buy eno nko na wo so terms ya lawyer can be say no o mo the forms na ya e bi ni so sense me ye so ma sent me na me sele me workers any bibia de by ya ye adwuma I think that site na my ye adwuma for more than 4 years and that 4 years me sika ni pia ma workers na no na pia ma mo to na by every year be a minimum wage ba so that asɛm no na me sha sɛ me ne ɔmo kasa so no workers no always no ɔmo kasa nti ɔmo nya ho bibi ɛmo ɔmo so ɛno nti no it's more than 1 month now ɔmo yi me for no reason na lawyer king ba ɛna me bisa lawyer sɛ kurum ha na wɔ mbra mu sɛ obi self employment ya sɛ na okay it mean for no reason and I say worker no fight for the right na ɛno so ye gina so yi na bi wɔ mbra ya ma notice bia ana yanka asɛm bia nkyerɛ no Dina mi bisa lawyer say na lawyer kan ye ye me am nkrata na me de ye adwuma nye se bia me bo fa mfatiri me am nkrata na me de ye adwuma dina mi bisa lawyer say sa adwuma na ana sa bisa kwan na me kontu na dina so ayi na di no mra bi wo ho a meeting ene o maka ana meeting dia mo afato ana na things am asim bisa na na
yo mo lawyer wadaroma
yo edikan efa ne mba eho na ọ chịrị anụ sị ọpịsị ohu ne mba ọbaa ne sị ọmma no kwan sasa na tie
ya
nti ne obetumi ayɛ sɛ obehu lawyer a ɔyɛ family law anaasɛ ɔpractice family law na ɔte susu ho akyerɛ no na lawyer bɛyɛ ne sɛ ɔbɛkyerɛ ɔbaa no na wama informal arrangement aba between ɔno ne ɔbaa no nti bia o mote ase a ba ne te ase a obeka say yo wo de bia ye be che ni say wo be fa 1 day na ma for the rest of the days and so wo be fa 2 days na ma for 5 days so mote ase a that will be informal arrangement no more agree on paper so man te ase a be ma no wo kwan say o de asam no be court na wa ma court ama no to me say o to me hwe ne mba na ya fa no child arrangement order under Section 8 of the Children Act 1989. And so kwaji order no a judge no betie nsɛm a ɛwɔ mu no na so grant order na ɔno ankasa bɛhyehyɛ court bɛhyehyɛ mbra a wei bɛhwɛ wei anasa bra ɔno betumi nya ahwɛ akosra ne mma no anasa nkwala no so bɛba ne nkyɛn nti court betumi ama ne saa akwanya no nti on start with ɔbaa no anya yi a na wa court we say na address no me sure so wo oba no number betumi afre oba no but ebe hia say we the best dua court lawyer so no lawyer aboa wo e wosa ekwan no eso. Question number 2 no is very important, so that's going to be our test case for this conversation. Nti yenua we also oye adwuma nti under section 231 of the Employment Rights Act no ye hu ni say oye employee or say oye adwuma o ho ache nti wa ye adwuma at least for 2 years rather say 2 years wo akwenya
but lawyer me pacho ye hama hakakra or ye adwuma no as a self-employed.
So I will come to that.
Okay.
Nti so oye adwuma no say oye adwuma na contract wom so oye employee a enhyehyɛ ɛwɔ hɔ but so oye self-employed dia ɛhɔ no ayono a na adwuma na ɔyɛ nti nkomo we no is not or say can my employer nipa no ɔyɛ wɔ employer ɔyɛ wɔ client provider of service ɔdema wa na wayɛ nti wono mu nyina mu yɛ pɛpɛpɛ in that sense nti na ɔbɛma wa no ɛyɛ contract no ɛyɛ employment contract na mbom ɛyɛ service contract nti ebro no woyɛ adwuma na asa onye bi a wafrɛw nti ɛno no mbra no ma kwan sɛnea yɛ kyerɛkyerɛ mu no sɛ wo right and then yɛ di hu nkɔmmɔ no nti sɛ woyɛ self employed sɛnea wabɔ so deɛ ndeɛ a ɛnde wo deɛ no yɛ different nkɔmmɔ wei ɛnkɔma wo now sɔfo ndeɛ yɛbɛka wɔ ha ne sɛ mbra no sɛ woyɛ employee a sɛnea employer no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ne sɛ nneɛma enum na obejina so na wa terminate o anese wa dismiss o edi kan say wo modern bo enso eni a ye friend capability anase wo qualification no endu anase wo skill no endu anase edwuma na wo ye no enso eni capability employer no tumi gina so under section 98 of Employment Rights Act announce say wo suban conduct so wo suban so end enye papa senia wo ye nyoma bi a ne wo code of conduct ebo ebra and also employer betumi agina eso ye wo redundancy say edwuma no ebi ne ho biem nti redundancy aba ese so omode wo fa redundancy kwan so na omode wo omoyiwedi announce say ye wo say wo wato emra a ye fa na statutory breach na statutory breach ni say bia wakobokro no na de wo court and say wakoye bi na de wo court eno no because say aye criminal offense of assault ninti employer no any kwan say obe entertain o until say you go through process am ya clear o so that is also a reason and your friend you ba kun so your friend some other substantial reason is say bia bibinti akoba say edwuma no entumi ntoaso santi yentumi ebia bebia edwuma no wo no abai say area ho ni nyina no it's not safe for anybody to be there santi omo astope obia so obewo ko ho eno no a substantial reason to say we cannot keep you again because edwuma no kra no den eni ho eno no ye redundancy eno ye some other substantial reason the say enyoma enumi employer no betumi agina so but na can say so oyiwedi a ade so be yiwedi a your friend no constructive dismissal ne say employer ni suban enti wo no wo se wo nye adwuma biem so employer ni suban no ama we jai adwuma ne dia a constructive dismissal which me take action announce say wrongful dismissal say employer no amfa emra kwan so eyiwedi say wrongful announce say unfair dismissal say employer no amfa emra kwan so anase ono angasa ne nhyehyɛ so eyiwedi santi aye unfair and there was summary dismissal ne say we suban no enti employer no eni kwan say obekipu so wakoye bibi ato aban emra santi employer ni kipu a ono so ato mra obama summary dismissal and say your gross misconduct within your code of conduct or staff handbook na sa enyoma no wakoye bi na employer say one of the gross misconduct ni bi na adedi santi yentumi enkipu and so be your summary dismissal instant. But normal termination is based on notice. Now, say employer no come out with summary dismissal, and I say or notice to terminate you for whatever reason, either capability, redundancy, or conduct. There, as I say, or making sure say even statutory breach, as I say, making sure say we follow process. So when we follow process, I say it's unfair. Under section 94, no. So we employee, now only employer now you for 2 years. Emrani say employer no end to mean you were unfairly. What it means is say as a so your investigation to find out say and no crescent now say why and why. Say when Juma cry na so enia Emrani say as a say or ye bibi fa ho obwa to develop. Na so when you ye bibi amfa ho no amwa to develop. Na still I say when I want to me ye Juma ne dia and they also in your ye so they have to go through the capability policy process, they have to go through the disciplinary policy process up to stage 3 in terms of warning to the point say they can terminate you. Then they also have you chance to be heard. And this when to me yes sir I'm say employer no has not been fair in dismissing you. It's your share case law. Case BWF no Betcho ye oba bia ni adwuma eyine na ode court in 1978 a court can say say adwuma ni amfa emra kwan so eyine di nti wato emra ewo kwan of fast you need no nti dismissal was not fair. Another case, the case of Geka Sang. Geka Sang no need the year 2023 na all can say so what the asem we court wa court share in your mienu edi kan say employer no engineer so yi we no e reasonable and na ne oye ya ansa o yi we die no so e processes no so and so e reasonable. So reasonable reason and also reasonable process. This is when me aye we na court wa employment tribunal will tell you say you did not follow your own policy. Ah, what they ato akwan mu no. Wa we hihye no we ndi so. E na aban hihye no so we ndi so. Internet say na wa ya no wato mra. Santi dismissal no will not be fair. Bi ni say investigation e so. You invite you for interview. You ma warning. You ma akwenya se fa obi bra anase for union bra. Omo witness. Omo ye na omo ye. Omo ye bibia omo conclude ye. So omo ye sa de a na akwa se omo mbra no omo ndi so. Ekobesa obetumi da akọ acres. Acres be ka kire won say they have to follow their own process. So omo ye de a acres enfan atsam no enko court. Wo na wo akwanya say obetumi de asam no akọ court within 3 months of ade no a esi no esi ye no. This and then you terminate within 3 months no obetumi e de eko real court, but you have to make sure say you have exhausted the internal processes including appeal and so on and so forth.
Mbo lawyer yada wase ene obu ye ni nsem no akopa 18 minutes past 10 yemfa kakra enka ho
na
yemfa
Deborah enso e wa hanti ye bewi a ode brofo kasa no beba na wa bo tofa amaye
ode brofo kasa no be 1990 musa
ye wi a obeba no tofa good
ba cho mate line 3 me pa cho wagina so ache papa if you are near line 1 na afi yama Deborah edi ne de abeto aso amaye na yekoye ni me pa cho me ma wakwa ba eba dwumadi so.
Hello.
Me pa cho mobile line no line 3 me ona me ne wo kasa no.
Okay, me that's it. Pacho mo siya ni lawyer na.
Me pa cho me ne lawyer ye jo so.
Me pacho me ni my wife in a back room of the school na me defender. But due to some problem with the tematite ama makoye divorce aba. Na me share oba okuta indefinite. But ni yearly annual income salary no enu 1,000, 8,000. 18,600 but me full time immediate no ebru am busy say let me the media no I join no na e dey application.
Lawyer Charles
ani obetumi e de ne de na akoba ne de no e family income enye nipa ba ko ne de nti omo di mienu be bom na omo enya ne omo hwehwe na omo de aye. Once we ji aware no de mrama kwan say otumi ware foforo so we share obi odo no a
Nana what in your lawyer kan
Na we see me say ye betimi de me betimi de media na join na ni sikana do 8,600
me pa cho sa na lawyer kan ye oso betimi de adwene once a wagya awade a wahie obi foforo a wo ware no embra na ma wo kwan say se wadi divorce de a obesatimi aware.
Okay.
You betimi de adwene why?
Okay, let us see.
Na me shira. Bye bye. Hello line 1.
Hello.
Yes, once wagina so ache papa me ma wachi e ma wakwa aba.
Me jo
No.
we dia me bi sama mi sister na ye unity without say ya man any written and warning and bibiasa and no say your friend no e catch and see ye unity na the employer no e patch or the employer need the cameras ebebo baby omo ye adwuma no wambo mu na amane na omo kra omo ni adwuma mu ho nti I think komo a omo bo e na adwuma no se de niema akwa I mean omo hu say in favor omo and your mom catch employer na I so mom te bi wa discussion omo ye ni na employer no echi nti eno nti no say or the afaso ayi omo di because omo can say anyway one mom warning why say or the bibi kra be bobo ho me de said you de minim kakra say mra mu no o ye bibi sa kra so the stickers bi kra na bibi bobo wa che omo so bibi say e wo ho but eno na ono di afaso ayi omo di say omo ntie na asem na omo wa adwuma mu a omo keka nsem fa ne ho na we no oni ne nya adwuma so for 2 years. That's one thing. Again, emra wo ho emra kwan or opportunity obetime the employer no afaso ana say oni akwanya bia because employer nso na man free krom eba ha or the skill worker and e buy as say employer no eja no ni ne family as say almost struggle say omo benya adwuma foforo aye. My question no.
Okay. Lawyer, sumama. Lawyer wadaroma.
Yo, you know how they are some way buy. And somebody be more, you need a lot of facts and the context and the background to be able to give opinion or advice. And it's in our case, a life situation, you know. The best say you program out free. Now, Brad, now you near womb because you be say some questions. Now you yati say ye to me ama afutuo and I say opinion na ebeboa why.
Pacho yo.
Asupam na usumusa amaye. Enti me de lawyer telephone numbers no ebetudwa na me de address no so atudwa na watimi asum amaye. Me da ase. Bye bye. Yo, onuya anopai eha ena daye ekosun ye eni sepitri. Ye kwa ye nimu na akabe ye 7 minutes na yedi juma no nyina abawie ye no. Yanko lawyer kachi na yankofa lawyer Deborah Emra no me potungu mumaye. Na yiwia na lawyer maye last word na yedi atwaso. Hey Deborah, how are you? Hello, lawyer Deborah, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
We thank God.
I
Are
hope
you
you're
ready for
well.
us?
Yes, please. So today we've looked at the topic of my employer has dismissed me from work and what should I do? So the governing law is the Employment Rights Act 1996. The definition of an employer is someone who owns a company and has decided to get people to work for them, and then in turn he will pay them. An employee is the person who has decided to take on the work. So Section 1 of the Employment Rights Act requires the employer to provide an employment contract. So there has to be express, and there's also implied terms which comes from statutes, so the law. So if you haven't had, if you've been successful at a job interview and you start a job, by law your employer is required to provide you with an employment contract. Now, in terms of the dismissals, there are three main types. So unfair, constructive, and wrongful dismissal. There are also reasons to dismiss someone fairly. So there's conduct, when the employee has done something that's inappropriate or not acceptable. There's capability, when the employee is not able to do the job or does not have the right qualifications. Redundancy, when the job is no longer needed. A legal reason, so when the employee cannot do their job legally. Usually there has to be a notice of termination. However, if you have committed a gross misconduct, they can summarily dismiss you. So in the instant, however, they still have to abide by like fair procedures. There was some case law mentioned as well, Virtual, which was a case about a woman who was dismissed and she took it to court. And the judge essentially concluded that this was the way in which she was dismissed wasn't right. So even though you can be summarily dismissed, they still have to go by fairness. So there has to be an investigation. Was there a warning given, etc.? So if these things weren't done, then it's deemed unfair, and you can take the case to court. So this is my little summary of the topic. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I nearly speak tree to you. And that would be a blow. Emo, lawyer Deborah Eddie Potono Abiguma my wabe potogum ama bibia ako kama yanko lawyer ho na yanko na mafa obi ba wantimi engina so nti lawyer meja ma na afi wa my summary na ni adi beja ekwan na odi eja ekwan. My employer has dismissed me from work. What should I do? Oh, lawyer Jinao, I say nipanati say me say we free so no. Wa she daba. Nkrufo we ni temptation pa. Ade me say me pon. Me ba cho me ma watching e ma wakwa ba. Wa she daba.
Betia ona ebi mama lawyer team kwa we de. Ejina so check akra. Na me question na e no. First one e me nua baby a o UK ha o the school work and buy na mse obaye no abehia obi a ono no ye uni but oye Portuguese ni a oye uni o de na fefro but toka ne ne makakraba enti be ma no ya na dwen fi oba ne bi emrakwan mu no abaya no bitimi e de mrakwan afon so no amana san ama akola no na say wanya kasa won san de wontimi san bi and the last question no so ye school near or the student visa route in a buy went to me MU school no akwanya bay and a mano obeti me awale obi a or the school worker a buy and as I say indefinite ni nkwan and as be a true bamuno and a woman or no be or the school worker a wa obeti be denya asetena and as I say be a one indefinite to remain ni nkwan a wa obeti me nya asetena and say so me question be no.
Yo, lawyer Wadaruma.
Yo, di kai mentia se ne se o se obi ene obi afa efuro na be ma no empese obegye akwala no sanete
Fire passion sanity.
yo what's the mean say o se me na me ne wa fa efuro na me so minim se men kai se me ne o dae nti efuro we de me nsusun se ya me a emre bi ani ho ya betre se esese wuji tumi se ya wo nti oba no ntumi enforce be ma no the worst way no obetumi ayi ne se ombe agree so ombe DNA to confirm say akwala no ne papa no ne sa enipa no se DNA no moye na eba out say akwala no papa no ne sa papa no dia ende akwala no papa no so kama ye wa akwala no se maame no enware obi a one no ti aware no ho na papa we pani obi a one no wo ho dia ende mra no hu se akwala we ne papa ne sa papa ya ye kana asemu santinya papa no wo no ode be kata ne ba yeso sa papa no wo indefinite a ode be kata ne ba yeso ema mra no ama akwala ye kwan under section 1 of the British Nationality Act no se akwala ye eye British ni sa papa no ewo British citizenship so a Sarah enso na ode be kata ne ba yeso. But the first step is say ye behu say akwala ne papa nie say into kwan name understanding akwaba dia I just say DNA and I say ebebem no ma ati omo ho ase say ampa eye wo ba yes ebeye din say obetumi aforce be me say eye wo want me da hye wo ko and if you more then you can go to step 2 to determine the nationality of the child. Next question is obi aba school when to me for whatever reason akwenya ben e ho ma no yes sir
Lawyer esa
sanet ya dia sanimpa ya when to me wi so na yenim no mra no makwan say wa when to me wi school no obetumi akọ skilled worker route no so nti eno no e out nti sanimpa we owo hai we koshia ne dofu bi anaso obi na omo adomo ho na ekwaye aware a obetumi agina eno nso se ekese ne se omo aware na maami wo asetena wo krom ha mpo bi oye British ni na omo ntumi enko kwatena oman foforo so because maami British ni nti ombetumi asre se aban enkwonsida na omoma yenue asetena otumi ne yere atena na omo abo omo awa sa akwala wo mu a na mrano be hwe se akwala wo mu na se akwala no bi a maami ba nti papa yi akwala no step father a oboa akwala ni school mu bi ono no kofa ni school o kire no ade ono no ko park ono ko club o ye ni say oboa akwala no wo kwan nyina mu akwala no kra hu se ne papa ni no sa na etia de a mra no be hwe akwala no welfare ni well being na wa consider say papa yi yama na akwanya na ontina krum ha under the relevant rules ye wa gen 3.2 under appendix FM provisions no empos papa yi sania ye kan wa ware na so ne yere na ti ba na mbom akwala enimu a aya emra no fekasinfo be fa emra no to favor them no meka throw aya o meka jo ne se mo dom ho dia mo nko mukrom na mo nko ware di oba ni di wechi na mo nko mukrom senyame ya adum a o metumi akonsida na o mo de ama nti se kwabesa na saa eho no 50-50 basa akwala wo mu dia akwala ni nti aya na ne chances no very very high di say papa yi oni obi anyem na akwala pm na maame no settled and so kuta British citizenship na akwala yi British citizen no na papa yi ehwe ne ba no papa yi betumi agina ne ba no so aya fa no direct access because enyo omo neti na wejina ne bai so na ya manubi na yetumi wetumi aboa ma ya hye akwalai ananso say wa kwa ware na yere na oware na yere no na yere wo no akwala nso ewo ne saa na ono oye step father no ojina akwalai so anaso oba no so depend on the circumstance na odi asrese omoma no asetena na ontumi moa ebusua yi na ebusua no entumi enko nenim yetumi hwe ne saa na yaboa yenue nti family welfare consideration and that's a child welfare consideration ba ne nyina no circumstance no ina be kire say ye de be ma no and that's a young farmer no because every case is decided on its own merit nti akwenya eho ema yenue yes I just otenemu a kodum pempensu bi a ondi 20 years tabi a yare ni bibi akwabanti ontumi enko ne krom now wa application for consideration under appendix private life now wa kase ne yare ni bibi ti there are insurmountable obstacles nti okọ ne krom mu a sa obstacle ni nti bi kro obetumi efim anaso ewu mana yeye anase treatment na ade obenya no ho no emboa santi omonhwe sa akwenya no eso eno so ka ne sa yetumi consider eno ya discretionary nto metumi consider say sa na etie dia ne life nti yenhwe na yembo no ewo ekwan ebiso ne yemfa asetina no ema no obi beka say ndi ontina odi 20 years ba bi obedi 20 years no na 20 year rule kura na bia na asesa because yenim ne eba ewo yenim because emraro sesa all the time but these are the options available.
Lawyer yada wase odaroma menua emise enchirechirimu no akoyiyi ama papa ohwa 35 minutes past our normal closing time odifo abribia na machiche bi egusu nkakra enti na de mamekwan na memfansi ya menua emise asema lawyer bekan ye no atowasum
mise no na lawyer chichirimu no ebeda lawyer se
medase eni ye hyenonso na ne ebekire wa adwen bia no frɛ lawyer ewo office line no so anase book appointment na kohunu lawyer na enuema enko wano emam yemfa dwumadie ni nyina ensi ha ne na ne dwuma etira eda dwuma yedie no so no eye my employer has dismissed me from work. What should I do? Ubetumi anya lawyer, me pacho mo fa address no mami. Ubetumi anya lawyer office. Ewo 4th floor Anna House, 214 to 218, Tottenham High Road, 7 Sisters, Landing N15 4NP. Landing N15 4NP. Office number no 0208 493 7340 0208 0208 493 7340. Emergency number no 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. Fred lawyer Charles na woni no enkasa 1-on-1. Fred lawyer Charles no ne enkasa 1-on-1. 079 47 63 6037. Lawyer Charles number no 079 47 63 6037. Ohundonti ena misi number no so ama o. Nyeso number no bo na ye mede. Ohundonti enti safa ne biem fa number ne biem. 079 47 63 6037. Na wawura lawyer Charles mobanum gwa na woni watimi edi nkomo yemfa lawyer Charles emre na onkraye na o maye nkrato a etwato kura na odifo mintimi pagya memu wada roma me bacho okasa na breki
yo etiefo ne ahwefo ende nso yesu aze kakra na za yesu ne nyinara enye de say ye adwuma ma obi na nyimpa no se on pedo on be ye adwuma bi ma e baaze na botuma ye ozika no oda e share policy a owo adwuma ni mu a mre no e hye oda dzido no na fa ye adwuma nti bo catcher employer ne de za wa ye no nyini ye agent na appeal against the work or ye no so ono anye adwuma nso a boko acres for ho na akaka achiro hon de dam na o employer no waye na isusun de onfa emrekwam acres for yin employer no bot zinkomo na waka zawda waye achire one na sastra no wanye za emre se e wo kwan de eboko court another employment tribunal na zi wasam akadan court na court bohwe na we hu de dem dismissal na waza ma no ofata ose ofakwanum another ofakwanum so ofakwanum za emrane say court may make order for reinstatement to get your job back another say bbnc issue na nyaza when you beji adwuma no mu bima court say obotuma aka there move on but the employer no on compensation depending on how long obe take wa obenya adwuma foforo no enti ni nyina no ogina za court ebeka enyi how long anye adwuma no aye employer na aye adwuma na whether warankasa no emra no hu de ye employee another inye employee under section 230 of Employment Right Act no nti za yesu ni nyina ara ni de so oye constructive dismissal o so oye unfair dismissal o so oye wrongful dismissal o so oye summary dismissal o emra wa kwan de beye bribi your employer no betina say ma union fo so nfa say de dem na we si we adwuma no mu na union fo so aboawo na ma onye employer no edzinkomo afaza we si no ho za aboa ya dam so a botuma afa bukọ acres ho no da court a bukọ akofa lawyer na lawyer duwe senyi ska de ba lawyer nso a court botuma ahye na wa ma legal aid support na wa hye ama lawyers na we duwe nyim wanyo akọ court ba ma ya kan nyina anye de say employee na ye adwuma 2 years emra no makwan de employer no oba dismissal unfairly another oba juweza injina subiara enyim obadama employer no watomra nti ba famra kwem na enyi employer no ezi nanso all employee no e wa asunzi whilst in there but sure there mmra no we adwuma mu ho mmra no we de dzido no also ezido nti ha na yɛdze ende nkomo no ebesi yɛtuado Sunday ekor another baby wo ho nti rainbow radio a yɛkɔ line no do ɛwɔ Facebook na questions a yɛntuma ambodo no ya abodo ama etiefo ne ahwɛfo nti yɛnyi pastor wi a yɛtuado
yo emo lawyer yɛbɛda wase na nneɛma a ɛnɛ odi abrɛ yɛn na adesua a odi yɛn awuram onyame yɛ adom a dasɛnde obesan atemenka na mekonso na mekoji me contract ne free Rainbow Radio a me de bebrɛw no wahwɛ mu ama me se bibi atoto yi and to yi ya ne o se me de ka ho no me de bɛka ho na yatimi ayɛ no pepepepepe me da ase nyame yɛ adom a
oh my God, I love Rainbow Radio.
Prophet.
Many colors, many voices, one God, one station.
Bye-bye.
This is our
you wait for the actual 4 year 12 median so na question bi a owodo a yentum ambodo na ye body question I want to say please my employer said there is no job so I should look for another sponsorship. What should I do? You say another employer obotum amawe adwuma emra no makwanda bo switch akọ new employer no nti say foforo da botum akọ wenyim ma wayeye nembom employer no ozo ba na dzi emra makwanda obegina finfin up to this point no ozo wa ba no na waka da adwuma yi ho nti ontum ntua contract na onye wa akọ no edo. Please, I came to the UK as a student, but I could not finish my program and my stay will expire next year. Please, if I meet somebody and we are married and the person is a skilled worker, can I depend on that person to have my say? I think we have answered this question earlier on. So you can replay the clip or the recording to get the answer from that. Secondly, say, if I overstayed in the UK, can I get visa again to the USA, Canada, anytime? If you are in the UK, now open Canada, and I say US, and I say China, maybe be our person could be of course, over to me, I application to go there. But embassy no, and nobody determines or the bemao, and I say on farmer. And as I say, we read embassy, and I say, or minor embrano for visas to know whether you qualify or you meet the visa requirements. And only near Yedibe and the question and answer session. Yedo bibiara ase so to me by ya me ya doma ye besane hia ochina ewo legal hour program ye lawyer Eunice obedi yenim ewo sa nkomodie no eso saren so na Saturday ye besan Asia community and the law me na medi enim ewo sa nkomo no eho enti yenna let's make time and date na yen join ni yensua ade yen boa ye ho. Have a lovely day and week. Shalom.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right results and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team
to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community,
is a member of the Family Law Panel
and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214-218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.